With only 3 ingredients, let's unveil the secret behind a perfect batch of cookies. Welcome. First, you will need 240 grams of margarine, which is equivalent to 1 big cup. Then add 3/4 cups of powdered sugar, which is icing sugar by the way, and you can also use caster sugar. Mix it all up till well combined. Then add 2 cups of all-purpose flour. Make sure you use the same cup from the beginning of the recipe till the end to ensure all the measurements are equal. At this point, you can use a large piping nozzle as shown previously, or you can utilize different kitchen equipments to come up with different patterns. It all comes down to the kind of shape that you want, so have fun trying to form different patterns for the cookies. To find out how to bake biscuits and cookies without an oven, I will leave the link of my other video in the description box below. Bake the dough for 9 minutes and leave it on your kitchen counter to cool up to an hour. Enjoy these love bites with some milk and store the remainder in an airtight container. This can go for up to 3 weeks. Thank you so much for watching. See you next week with another easy peasy recipe.